In this video, we're going to go through the difference between a 401k and an RRSP, and whether or not you can contribute to an RRSP. If you find this video useful, make sure you subscribe to our channel and go to our website for other videos and articles on cross-border financial planning. As a cross-border financial advisor, I work with clients who want to know the difference between a 401k and an RRSP. There are 5 things you need to know about the differences between a 401k and an RRSP. First of all, as a similarity, both RRSPs and 401ks were created by the respective governments to allow people to save money and grow investments. Both plans allow you to defer tax until you're ready to take the money out. Both allow multiple types of investments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and they also both have contribution limits set by the government. There are some differences between 401ks and RRSPs. A 401k is set up through your employer, or if you're self-employed, you can set up an individual 401k. An RRSP, on the other hand, if it's set up through your employer, is called a group RRSP, or if you open it as an individual, it's just called an RRSP. Now let's talk about contribution room. That's the amount of money you can put into these plans. For an RRSP, this is based on 18% of your earned income in the year prior, up to a maximum set by the Government of Canada. A 401k is a set amount by the IRS and isn't based on your earned income in the year prior. Another difference is carry forward rules. With an RRSP, if you have any room that you haven't used in previous years, that can be carried forward until you turn 71 and you have to move it into a RRIF at the end of that year. For 401k, you can't carry forward any room, although they do allow you an extra bit of room once you're over the age of 50. Finally, let's talk about penalties. To take money out of your RRSP, there's no penalties, although you do pay tax on the money that you withdraw. And you don't get any of that room back. It's gone forever. With a 401k, you actually get a 10% penalty if you take the money out before you're the age of 59 and a half, other than a couple of exceptions. Are you trying to figure out if you can contribute to an RRSP? What I recommend is go to the Government of Canada website and register for an online account, and you can see how much contribution room that you have. If you'd like to learn more about how to make your cross-border financial transition easier, go to our website and get our free Cross-Border Financial Planning Guide. And if you found this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and check out other cross-border videos that we've done. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.